menasai Mikey. Wakali masenka. Kanjaro. No sir, can't manage. Hola, konnichiwa, wagwama Irie from Big Up on Yourself. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new, please join the Irie family. It's an Irie get together. Hit that subscribe button, will you? And the bell beside it so you don't miss the post. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back. Stay blessed, stay Irie. You don't know the thing set up. So here what's going on now. I'm doing this intro after me come back, but it no matter, right? Yeah, I'll put it at the beginning of the video. So today I went out to the park and I decided to prank my family and friends back home because I went to the park with my Japanese friends and I said, oh, I get an idea. So I called them and I speak little Japanese. They don't know the Japanese, no peda, it no jozo, it no fluent. But I have one and two little words that I catch on to, you don't know. So me use the one and two little words them now, pan them, and of course, it was night, at about 10 o'clock in the night or 11 o'clock. So some of them probably get all upset. Stay tuned for the video. Get the reaction. And if you enjoy this video, you like it, like it. My nephew just texted me, so I'm going to call him. Mushi Mikey, ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? Mikey, choto mate kudasai. Doko ni wa kyo wa doko ni? Mikey? Ogenki desu ka? Wakarimasen. Ego wakarimasen. Mikey, wakarimasen. Mushi. Daijobu. Hontoni daijobu, Mikey. Mushi. Mikey. Genki desu. Watashi wa genki desu. Watashi wa genki desu. Hi. Wakarimasen ka? Choto mate kudasai, Mikey. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku. Hi. He sent me a bugger laughing emoji. Alright, so I'm using my phone's my friend's phone to record, and a call just came in, so I don't know if it's her husband calling or whatever because I don't answer her phone. So I'm just gonna make another quick call and see who should I call now. Hey, I'm gonna call my bestie. I wonder if she's available. Let me try. Doesn't seem to be available. Alright, I'm gonna call somebody else. I'm gonna call Kim because Kim love laugh. Be a laugh, she online, I'll call her. Pure laughing Kim I'll go on with. Watch now. What's your begin? Mushi. What you begin? O genki desu ka?
Girl, talk Jamaican, please.
Kimberly, o genki desu ka?
Remember, I'm off phone, you know, Katie.
Daijobu, Anthony Daijobu, Kimberly.
Oh, the girl here. Girl.
Hi.
Lord of mercy. Alright, go along.
Wakarimasen.
Tell me when you done chat.
Wakarimasen,
Tell
Kim.
me when you done. Eh?
Wakarimasen.
What is that? I don't understand that.
O
I
genki
don't
desu ka?
understand that language. Girl.
Chotomate.
Watch
Kimberly,
her.
chotomate kudasai. Chotomate kudasai.
Me hang up, you know.
Yeah.
Katie and Gentles.
Kimberly, Anthony
her.
Daijobu. Daijobu, Kimberly.
You sound like you have. Watch her.
Yoroshiku.
English, please. English.
Nihon wa. Nihon.
Me not talk Japanese. English.
Kimberly. Nihon shebadu.
Yes. Nihon shinkan.
ただいまメンテナンス中です。
Konshi.
Nihon shebadu.
Step out of it, man.
Kimberly.
What's going on? What's poppin'?
O genki desu ka? Genki desu. Genki desu. Watashi wa.
Girl.
Watashi wa genki desu.
I'm supposed to stop talk Japanese to me. I'm not talk Japanese.
Wakarimasu. Wakarimashita?
You depend speaker.
Kimberly, Daijobu.
Shut up, Katie.
Yeah.
Kadian.
Hi.
Lord of mercy. How are you?
Genki desu.
Katie.
Kimberly, matane. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hang up. Why? Call this guy because he's online. All right, let me call. Mushi. O genki desu ka? Honey, wakarimasen ka?
You turn Japanese.
Yeah.
A lot of mercy.
Anthony Daijobu.
Daijobu.
Hi.
But so Japanese no accent. I think no accent. Like, you know, you're not different.
Wakarimasen.
Kenny, where's Tika? You have Tika in here? I'm going to answer with the Japanese. No.
Wakarimasen. Tika wa wakarimasen dokoni wakarimasen ka. Wakarimasen.
Wakarimasen.
O genki desu ka?
Never clue where I say.
O genki desu ka?
I am okay.
Hi. Yarimasu ne.
Yeah, oh, you get it now, you get it. That is it, you get it now, you get it now.
Hi. Okay. Call me sister. No. I called her before. but I don't think the volume was good.
Hello?
Mushy.
Listen to me, girl. Been on a time for this tonight. If you want to talk to me, talk to me. But I will discuss.
That chotomate kudasai. O genki desu ka? Mushi.
Can you come to mine?
Sumimasen, Latoya. She hung up. Alright, let me call one next one. Jamaicans the ramping with it and them don't have the time. Hi. O genki desu ka? Sumimasen.
I don't think I look a girl and she stop your name with her.
Doko ni. Nani? Wakarimasen. Domene. Oh yeah. O genki desu ka? Wakarimasen? Wakarimasen ka? Yeah. Daijobu. Hontoni daijobu. She put down the phone. Oh, me never tell them it's a prank. I wonder if she vexed with me, if she got answer me, I call back Kim.
Hello.
Kimberly, you got pranked.
Whatever.
Bye.
I know it was one of your silly stuff.
Whatever.
So I'm like, okay.
Why? Yeah, man. Me soon call you back.
Oh, wait, they were?
In media park. To the holidays, so we don't know. You know, answer me again. I forgot to text him and tell him. We call back Mikey. Mikey,
All gone.
you got pranked. Ooh. Later, I'm going to eat something. I soon call you back. Alright, the last person now, my sister, she probably not answer me again. Not answer. I forgot to text her. Minasan, arigatou gozaimasu. Alright, I know you enjoyed that. But guess what? I have a playlist called Life in Jamaica. You can check that out for more. And I did a few little pranks before. So check out my videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Boom, bang, I'm out. Stay blessed, stay Irie. Yeah, so the hair I go on with a bag of things because the breeze take it and it dry and everything. And hola, konnichiwa, hello, wagwan my Irie. Hola, konnichiwa,